Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Following an order of the High Court directing Goa government to reconsider afresh the applications filed by life convicts Rohan Dhungat and Shankar Tiwari for premature release from the jail. Both Rohan Dhungat and Shankar Tiwari are serving life imprisonment for murdering law student Mandar in 2006. Earlier also, Rohan Dhungat and Shankar Tiwari had filed applications for premature release, which was rejected by Goa government. Both approached the High Court contending that their applications were dismissed without considering their good behavior in the jail during the jail term. Accepting the contention, the High Court had directed Goa government to consider their applications for premature release afresh, but now Goa government has rejected their applications for premature release, saying that for now they are not fit for premature release. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.